Plane Access Solutions.
Run the professional hotel system and log in using your account. Go to door configuration and select the system card option. Fill in the details, and once you fill in the details, put the card, an empty card, on the card reader and click issue card. Now that is for the system card. Next is you need to set the programmer or the door number programming. Put the card on the card reader and click issue card after you selected a certain room. Next is you need to set a card for time programming. Select the time or the clock and issue the card. Next is you need to create the master card. The master card is in the staff configuration feature. Just fill in the blanks and issue the MasterCard. Now the MasterCard has a validity of up to 3 years. Then you can select 3 years and insert the card to your card reader and click issue card. Now you have to go to the reception and then select the room, and now you can issue the card. For example, you can issue the card 19 to a client, and you can select the date of the duration of the client's stay. Same, you need to put the card on the card reader and click issue card. Now you will need to have 4 AA batteries and put the batteries in the battery compartment, which is located on the top of the door lock. Remove the 2 screws that holds this battery compartment in place and place those 4 AA size batteries. The wires that hold this compartment is very thin, so be very careful when you're inserting the compartment back to the door handle, as it could sometimes break. Now tighten the screws of these 2 screws to hold the battery compartment and the door lock in place. There was a flaw with the design of this door, in which the additional lock was placed next to or at the top of the battery compartment, so it was difficult to remove it. It was difficult to remove the battery compartment, so we had to remove this extra lock as well. Now my staffs are putting them back again in place. After this one, we will be going to, or we will be proceeding to setting the programming or the configuration for this door lock. Now there are 4 cards that are important for this configuration. The first is the system card, which you need to scan 3 times, and after that you will need to scan the door programming card, and the third part is the time card. The fourth card will be the master card, which will activate the door lock system. Now after activating it, you can use the card with